Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I will show the easiest way to open a link in Python using web browser. First, import web browser at the top of your script, then call web browser. Open with a valid URL string like https://example.com. This opens the URL in your system default browser. The approach works in Python 3, X on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It is simple and requires no third-party packages. You can use this in scripts, command line tools, and small automation tasks. Here is a small code example you can paste and run immediately. Use web browser. Open https://example.com new equals 2 to open a link in a new browser tab. The new parameter accepts 0, 1, or 2 for existing window, or new tab. You can call web browser. Open new tab or web browser. Open new for readability. On Windows, an alternative is OS. Start file with the URL string. Each approach uses the system default browser and avoids installing extra packages. Before opening links, validate and %encode URLs to avoid broken requests. Use urlib, parse, quote or requests. Utils, requote URI for proper encoding. If you run on a headless server, use requests for HTTP calls or use Selenium with a headless driver for browser automation. Add simple exception handling around web browser. Open to log failures or inform users. Check the Boolean return value to detect if the browser command was issued. These steps make link opening robust for scripts and applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.